I told you you don't have to be a perfect public speaker or a graphic designer to create and deliver powerful business presentations that get the results that you want? Hi, everybody. I'm Sarah Adams, and I'm an executive trainer and consultant with Hurley Wright. Our course, The 4 Ps of Great Presentations, takes you on a journey from start to finish to create great content. We'll talk about what's the point of the presentation that you're putting together, who's the audience that you're making that point to, how to persuade that audience, and even how to put your whole self in using body language to keep your audience engaged. We'll also talk about the infamous death by PowerPoint and how to avoid it, and instead create impactful slides that keep your audience on the edge of their seat. All this and much more in the 4 Ps of Great Presentations by Hurley Wright. I can't wait to see you in the next class.